to what you don't see. Just under the hood, behind the cab, with every stop. The right truck parts are there, hidden in plain sight, keeping your trucks on the road. Here's to you, the people behind the scenes, making the right decisions, staying on top of things, ordering quality parts for every truck in your fleet. And here's to making sure that in the new year, every icy stretch, every punishing pothole, every dusty sun-baked job site is less a problem to worry about and more a challenge you were already prepared for. So here's to what you don't see, because while you keep business rolling forward, we'll help you keep the class of trucking going strong at your local Peterbilt dealership and online. Peterbilt Parts and Service.